In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the presenter in GoToMeeting. If you're hosting a meeting and you find the need to switch presenters to enhance your session's flow or to share different perspectives, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you are actively hosting the meeting in GoToMeeting and that you've already welcomed your participants to the session. It's great to familiarize yourself with the interface, as knowing your way around can save you a lot of time during the actual meeting. On the right side of your screen, you will notice an icon that resembles a person or a group of people. This is the People icon, and it serves as your portal to see who has joined your meeting. Once you click on this icon, a list of all the participants currently attending your meeting will be displayed. This is a handy tool, not only for switching presenters, but also for managing your meeting more effectively. You can see who is present, who might be on mute, and more. To change the presenter, scroll through this list to find the person you would like to appoint as the new presenter. Simply click on their name. Upon clicking, a pop-up menu will appear. This menu offers several options that can enhance how you manage your meeting. Among these options, you have the ability to mute participants, which could be useful if there's background noise. There's also an option to designate someone as an organizer. However, our main focus right now is on the Make Presenter option. So, to enable this switch, click on the Make Presenter option. This action will immediately assign presenter privileges to the selected participant. When the new presenter is successfully assigned, they will receive a notification on their screen indicating that they now hold the presenting role. As the host, you'll also see a visual confirmation on your end, confirming the change. Switching presenters can be very useful in a meeting setting, especially when collaborating with a team or presenting diverse topics. It encourages participation and can make your meetings more dynamic and interactive. Additionally, if you face any issues or see that the intended participant is not able to receive the presenter role, double-check that they have joined the meeting correctly and that their connection is stable. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can empower your meeting participants to share their screens or present their content, making your meetings more efficient and powerful. Remember to ensure everyone knows they might be called upon to present. That way, they can prepare in advance and make the most out of their time in the spotlight. Thank you for watching. Now you have all the tips you need to smoothly change presenters in GoToMeeting. I hope this guide was helpful, and I wish you all the best in your future meetings.